The immediate response. As of March 31, 2026, the 2026 Middle East conflict has reached a critical threshold. Elements of the 82nd Airborne Division, including the division headquarters and the 1st Brigade Combat Team, have begun arriving in theater. These paratroopers from the Immediate Response Force are the final piece of the tactical puzzle President Trump is assembling. While the 31st Marine Expeditionary Unit aboard the USS Tripoli prepares for amphibious maneuvers, the 82nd provides a vertical capability, the power to drop thousands of elite infantry behind enemy coastal lines in a matter of hours. Their mission is clear: supplement the 50,000 U.S. troops already on station and provide the ground truth capability needed to secure strategic chokepoints that air power alone cannot hold. The Karg Island Air Bridge. The tactical synergy between the Marines and the 82nd Airborne is focused on one objective: Karg Island. Military planners believe the Marines will lead the initial amphibious seizure, but the 82nd's specific role is to secure and repair the island's damaged airfield. Once that airstrip is operational, it creates a C-130 air bridge, allowing for a massive, rapid influx of heavy equipment and reinforcements. However, the risk is extreme. These light paratroopers lack the heavy armor of a standard division, making them vulnerable to the rain of fire Iran has promised from its shore-based rocket batteries. As Major General Brandon Techmeyer establishes his forward command, the world is watching to see if this is a final deterrent or the opening jump of the largest airborne operation in decades. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and also please subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to bring you more great stories from the U.S. military and their allies around the world.